Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to do your makeup as if you were my little sister. So do y'all remember the low, medium, and high contrast makeup? Well, in my last video, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. I showed you how to do low contrast makeup. I decided to attempt medium contrast makeup with y'all. I feel like it's my style of makeup, but I'm a beginner who just loves makeup. So let's attempt this together and see what happens. Medium contrast makeup, all that means is that between your hair color and your eye color and your skin tone, there's just a little bit of a difference. Whilst with high contrast, you should look like a completely different person. I think I'm going to start off with my eyes, so I'm going to use my concealer to prep my eyes. Now I'm going to set that concealer with some powder. So for eyeshadow, I think I'm going to do sort of a neutral pink kind of look because I have hazel eyes, and usually the purplish mauvish shades tend to enhance my eye color, so I'm going to use advantage of that. So I'm going to start with my transition shade and put that all over my crease. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Now, I think I'm gonna go with the dark brown. Just put it in my outer corner, just for some depth and some contrast. Sorry if I'm looking down, it's just I have my mirror right here. But basically I'm just trying to add some depth whilst also showing up that I have somewhat of a darker shade on my eyes, because since I have hooded eyes, see, if I put it just right here, you can barely tell that I have a darker shade in there. So I have to sort of blend it a little bit above my crease. Now I do have what it's called, or at least what the doctors call, two eyes from two different people. So like this one is lower than that one. And to apply eyeshadow, I have to apply it differently. So stick to this roller coaster, because something tells me it ain't going to look the same. See, I already feel like it looks so much different than this one. And I did the exact same thing. I give up. They're sisters, not twins. Now I'm gonna go back to my transition shade just to smooth out the edges between the two colors. I'm gonna go in very lightly. And now I'm gonna add my pink color to half of my eyelid. So from my inner corner to the middle of my eyelid. Now I'm gonna do some brown eyeliner in my waterline, because I really feel like that makes my eyes pop. And since the point is to enhance my eye color, I feel like we should do it. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera, because I can't do it on camera for the life of me. And I'll be back. Okay, now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face. So I'm not gonna use foundation. I'm going to use the Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1 Glow, because I already enhanced my eye color with the eyeshadow. I already primed my skin as well. On my face, I'm not going to use too much product because we want to add the contrast between our skin, our hair, and our eyes. So I added the biggest contrast on my eyes. Therefore, I'm going to keep the base complexion routine pretty simple. So I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer. I don't use contour at all. So I just always bronze. And honestly, this Makeup by Mario bronzer, it's the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer bronzer. It's incredible. It's so easy to use and it blends like a dream. I haven't stopped using it since I got it. So seriously, I'm hitting pen already. I got this for Christmas. That's how good this product is. Now I'm gonna add my blush. I picked a really mauvey pink blush just to really connect with the eye color. I'm gonna go in with my concealer, which lately I've been loving the L'Oreal True Match concealer. And seriously, I've been sleeping on this concealer. It's so good. It does not crease on me. It doesn't look cakey. It blends like a dream. Don't have an issue with it. Like, look at that. Beautiful. So now first I'm going to set my eyes with loose powder. And honestly, that's my trick for flawless looking under eye. Is first I set it with loose powder. See how it already looks so flawless? But now I'm gonna go in with my compact powder. And here's my trick. I'm only going to use this in the places where I want to look airbrushed. So I'm going to use this only in my under eye area. Now I'm gonna go with my bronzer. I'm going to go in with some blush. Now, before I do highlighter and my mascara, I'm going to set my face. Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I'm not really going to do much for my eyebrows. I think I'm just going to put some eyebrow gel and call it a day. Now for my lips, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut lip liner. I'm going to pair it with my Dior Lip Glow. And obviously, if you know me, this is a staple in my bag. The Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Gummy Bear. I'm sorry, what even is this lip combo? Perfection. And that's my medium contrast makeup look. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my other videos. And comment down below if you're a low, medium, a contrast type of girl.